What's up, guys? Welcome to another video with your buddy the Roller Coaster Crafter. And today, as you can see, we are back on the set of my Manta recreation from Seaworld Orlando. And today we are just powering through and finishing this coaster because I was in kind of a rush to finish this coaster so I can prepare for what's to come. And this coaster actually got a little easier to build. I thought it was going to be very hard, and I thought it was going to take much longer than usual. But as you can see, I am powering through this pretzel loop right here. So I was just going through and it's like, oh, this is actually easier than I thought. So I built this over the course of 2 days. Right now, as you can see, this footage was taken during the night. I was up pretty much until 1 in the morning, trying to at least finish all the way through that last turn where you go through the pretzel loop and then head into the mid-course brake run later. So I was working on this next inversion right here, and it was pretty much, like I said, kosher all the way to the end because this coaster was, I pretty much overestimated how hard this coaster was going to be. However, it seemed to be pretty easy. So fast forward to the next morning, I pretty much finished the track work for this entire coaster and then pretty much tested it, and it worked pretty much fine. I worked on the two last inversions as well as the mid-course brake run, and it seemed to fly pretty easily. Luckily, this coaster was pretty stable as well, which I was super happy with, and man, it was fun to watch this thing run along, especially on the pretzel loop. And there you guys have it. Thank you guys so much for watching these 2 updates of Manta from SeaWorld. And man, I can't wait to premiere this coaster to you guys. It comes out on May 28th, that Friday at 11 a.m. PST. So be sure to stay tuned for that. This coaster is going to look awesome. So, and also be sure to stay tuned for more content coming to this channel very, very soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos as I will keep them coming. Thank you guys, and I'll see you next time on the Coaster Crafter channel. Peace!